So we work right now on Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019 with active alarm. Didn't take a video before because it was very noisy. After we leash the door, we decode, we find the code, got the keys. Now I will show you where is the start connector on Jeep Grand Cherokee 2019, just in case you need. So over here we have those green adapters. We already connect our cable here. We use the Smart Pro for it. Very easy to do a program with Smart Pro. Now I will do the second key. Let me show you. No feedback. We wanna do another program. Please make sure there is no wireless on the car, okay? All right. Now it tell me to put the key close to the press button and to press the unlock button. So you can see key program 4, and we have 2 keys working. All right.